Hi. Metagrow is an urban farming company. Urban farming is an indoor and outdoor plant cultivation for serving local inhabitants by processing and distributing food in and around the cities. Urban farming is gaining importance owing to rising global urbanization, climate protection due to reduced transportation, logistics and costs. System does not require much space nor water, why it's perfect for cities and local food productions. Hardware and new technology applications are expected to dominate segment in urban farming markets. Metagrow utilizes protected invention with intelligent, controlled and gas-powered mist system with 3D metal printed nozzle technology and method. The solution from Metagrow team is advanced engineering distribution system of water and nutrition for plants. Metagrow Aeroponics 2.0. Metagrow application is also tracking and monitoring to optimize the growth of crops with sensors and cameras. Our client sector is urban farming solutions like vertical farming, tunnels, rooftops and greenhouses.